Hey, what's up guys, welcome to NCX Tech. And Fedora 36 is just released with lots of good changes and with the latest GNOME 42 desktop environment. So here in this video I'm going to share you 9 most important things that you need to do after installing Fedora 36 on your computer, and we're going to do most of the things from the terminal, so I'll provide all those commands in the description also, you can check it there. And before we begin, please like this video and make sure you subscribe our channel and turn on notification bell for more Linux tutorial videos. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, we're going to configure DNF, which is the default package manager for Fedora. And by default, DNF is quite slow and sluggish. Downloading and installing apps takes more time than expected. So to fix this problem, we're going to enter some commands from the terminal. So for this, open terminal, and then I'm simply going to paste the command. You can find these commands in the description also. So you need to enter your sudo password. So this command will let Fedora to choose the fastest server. And then another command. So this command will let Fedora to download multiple packages at the same time. And with these settings, we have set max parallel downloads 10. So this means it can download maximum 10 packages at the same time. So after configuring DNF, now it's time to update our system. So to update the system with the latest packages, you need to enter the command sudo dnf update. So there are some updates available for my system. So you need to enter Y. So it's done now. Now my system is up to date with the latest and the greatest packages. And after this, I'm going to enable RPM Fusion. Actually, RPM Fusion is a third-party software repository for Fedora, and this contains some additional packages that cannot distribute on Fedora for some legal reasons. But we don't need to worry, it is completely safe and secure to use. So to enable RPM Fusion, we have to enter some commands, and these commands are available in the RPM Fusion website, and also I've provided these commands in the description, you can check it out. So to enable free software repository, you need to enter this command. So I'm going to simply copy and paste this command. So as you enter this command, you need to enter your sudo password. So I've already done this to install the screen recorder software, so that's why you can see nothing to do. And to enable non-free software repository, you have to enter another command. And after this, you can enter this command to access those RPM Fusion packages from the graphical software store. Press Y. And after this, it's better you restart your computer. So let me restart my system. So after restart, let me check the software store. So previously I don't even have Kdenlive available there. So now I can see that this video editor software Kdenlive is available in the software store. And similarly, I wasn't even able to find OBS Studio before. So now we have OBS Studio available. We can see that it's available from the RPM Fusion free software. So after configuring DNF and enabling RPM Fusion, so now we can install some popular and useful apps like let's say VLC. So just search for VLC. So there you can see it's available. So it's also available here from the RPM Fusion free software repository. And to install this, just click on install, and now it's installed. We can open this and we can make it our default audio or video player. And also other softwares like Google Chrome, which is one of the most popular web browser. So it's also available, and I've already installed this. Similarly, other apps like Steam to play games, we can install this. So it's available here from RPM Fusion non-free softwares, and to install this, just press on install. So after this, I'm going to install NVIDIA drivers on my system, and my laptop's got NVIDIA GTX 1050 graphics card. So it's so simple to install. We can install this from the software store. So down below there we have hardware drivers. Let's go there, and there you can see different drivers available for our available hardwares. So let me install NVIDIA driver, install this. So recently NVIDIA announced that they are going to open source their drivers. So next time we are going to get the open source drivers in the Linux kernel. And after installing NVIDIA drivers in my system, next I'm going to install GNOME tweaks for extra desktop customization options. So you simply search for GNOME tweaks. So there we have, and it's already installed here. So let me open this. So from there we can see different customization options available for the desktop. So there you can see suspend when laptop lid is closed. It's already turned on, and also in the appearance sections we have got lots of things to customize: fonts, keyboards and mouse, and start of applications, and top bar, and most importantly Windows title bar. So from there we can add minimize button in the title bar. So we don't have it's available by default. So to have minimize and maximize button on the title bar, we can enable minimize or maximize button, so that now we can minimize and maximize the windows. And also there are lots of options available for the desktop customization. You can try them out. And after this I'm going to install GNOME extension to manage the GNOME extension which are available. So for this, search for GNOME extensions. So there we have extensions. Just install this. So it's now installed. And now let me install some GNOME extension. Open web browser. So to install browser extension, click here. So from there we can add this to Chrome, add extension. So now it's installed, and now we can install GNOME extension very easily. Let me show you by installing one of my favorite GNOME extension, which is Vitals. So we just need to turn it on. So we can do this from here and install. Vitals extension is now installed here. You can see here in the panel. So this is the live system monitor for any Linux distribution with GNOME desktop environment. So from here we can find some information like CPU temperature, voltage, fan speed, memory usage, CPU usage, and many more. And one thing that out of the box, we can't even play high quality audio or video files in Fedora. It's because the required multimedia codecs are not installed here out of the box. So let me show you. So here I have some screen recorded videos. So there you can see I can't even play these video files. So we can see the error message that unable to play because the required codecs are not installed. So in order to play these high quality audio or video files, we need to install multimedia codecs, and we can install this from terminal. So open terminal, and we just need to enter some commands. So I'm just simply going to copy and paste. So there you can see the packages which are going to get installed. So press on Y, and after this another command, press on Y. It's done. So let me try playing the same video files. So now we can see that this video is playing very smoothly. And after this, we're going to install TLP to extend the battery life if you are using Fedora 36 on a laptop. Actually, TLP is the advanced power management tool for Linux, and it comes with the default configuration already optimized for battery life, and it supplies separate settings profiles for AC and battery power, and it can enable or disable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and WAN devices upon the system startup. So we can easily install this from the terminal. We just need to type the command sudo dnf install TLP. So we need to press on Y. So this is going to one of the useful tool if you are using Linux on a laptop. So guys, I guess these are some of the basic and important things to do after installing Fedora 36 on your computer. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if so, please like and share this video, and do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more Linux tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.